All right, let's take a start. Speaking part one, I'm going to ask you some questions about weekend. How do you usually spend your weekend?
I usually spend my weekend in different ways. Sometimes I go with friends, and sometimes I just read books. Sometimes I'm making websites for
I
an idea.
make.
I make websites
Okay,
for new
now
ideas.
whatever you are saying, you need to link it with the main topic, that is weekend. Right? Sometimes I go outside with my friends and we enjoy a lot. On the other hand, on some weekends I prefer to stay home as I am a web designer, so I make websites on the weekends. Just link your answer with the main thing, okay? All right, let's just go on. In your country, do men and women usually do the same kind of things on weekends?
Yes, in my country, they both are the same, because gender different nowadays is.
You have to link it with weekend activities. So you can say there is no gender difference, no discrimination. That is why men and women, they do the same kind of activities on the weekend. Link it with weekend. Okay? That's important. Let's go on. When do you spend time with your family?
I spend time with my family at an evening. We have lunch together at evening, and we have lunch together in evening, and sometimes we go outside for dinner.
Okay, so at the end there must be one concluding sentence, right? Let's go on. What did you do last weekend? Past tense. What did you do last weekend?
I think I spend time with my
सोचना नहीं
family.
है. Don't think last weekend अच्छा पता नहीं उत्थे गया सी उत्थे गया सी. Not like that, okay? What did you do last weekend? Last weekend I watched a movie. Last weekend I played cricket with my friends, and then elaborate that. Okay, listen, don't give the real answers. Don't even start thinking कल मैंने क्या खाया था. जो भी खाया था, they are not interested. They just need your good answers. Okay, so what did you do last weekend? Just give any ideal answer. Last weekend I went out for dinner with my fiance and we really had a great time. मंगनी होगी थोड़ी?
No.
हो जाएगी. IELTS कर लें फिर जल्दी होगी. Okay, yeah. IELTS के साथ मंगनी बड़ी जल्दी हो जाती है. बरकत पड़ जाती है. So let's go on. What did you do last weekend?
I watched a movie last weekend with my friends, and we have a good day.
We had a good day.
We had a good day.
Okay, do you prefer to spend your weekends at home or outside?
I would not say
Questions मुश्किल हैं?
yes.
नहीं.
नहीं, अब उसमें चॉइस आ गई ना, मैं नहीं कह सकता.
कुछ भी बता दें. Do you prefer to spend your weekends at home or outside? Say, well, it depends. If there is any party or any activity, then I prefer going outside. On the other hand, if there isn't anything special, then I always love to spend my weekend at home with my family. Okay? मतलब थोड़ा सा ना आपको क्या बोलते हैं पंजाबी में गल्लां दा गालड़ कि हर आप किसी से पूछें और भाई क्या हाल है, ओ मैं बड़ा ठीक ठाक जी, पता है कल क्या हुआ, समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो स्पीकिंग में आपको टॉकेटिव होना पड़ेगा. टॉकेटिव होंगे, देन यू विल स्पीक 5, 6, 7 गुड सेंटेंसेज एंड यू विल गेट गुड बैंड स्कोर. ठीक है, शर्माना नहीं अब आपने. ये शर्माना शादी वाले दिन शर्माना है, उसके बाद नहीं. ये है. ओके, थैंक यू.